Hello, today we are going to learn how to crochet simple leaves, which are perfect for bouquets. I used Funincloud 5-strand cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Take out the green yarn, then make a knot first. We need to make 12 chains first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then starting on the second chain from the hook. Add the soft wire 0.4 millimeters. Then make a single crochet first. You can make a mark. Then work half double crochet. Next, work a double crochet stitch. Then we need to work a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, then insert the hook into stitch, yarn over and yarn through. Now 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and through 2 loops. Then repeat the above twice. Now we have finished a treble crochet. Continue to work a treble crochet. Then the next stitch, we need to work a treble crochet increase, which means work 2 treble crochet in one stitch. 1, 2, then we need to work 2 treble crochet stitches. Now there are 3 stitches left. Work a double crochet first. Then work a half double crochet stitch. The last chain, we need to work 2 single crochet first. Then work 3 chains. Next, work 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. Okay, on the other side, we crochet symmetrically. a half double crochet, then work a double crochet stitch. Next, work 2 treble crochet. Then work a treble crochet increase. Continue to work 2 treble crochet stitches. Last 3 stitches, we need to work a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet stitch. Finished. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Then work a chain and enlarge the loop pin through the wire. Fasten off. Use the left yarn to wrap around the soft wire. Now have finished the leaf. We need 7 leaves in total. Please complete the remaining 6 pieces.